Fixing a water-damaged phone can be tricky, but here are some steps you can take to try and save your device. Here is how to fix water-damaged phone. 1. Remove the phone from the water. If your phone is still submerged, remove it from the water immediately. The longer it stays in water, the more damage it is likely to sustain. 2. Turn off the phone. If your phone is still on, turn it off immediately to avoid any short circuits that could cause further damage. 3. Remove the battery, if possible. If your phone has a removable battery, take it out. This will prevent any further damage caused by electrical currents. If the battery is not removable, skip this step. 4. Remove any accessories and SIM card. Remove any case, screen protector, and SIM card from the phone. Dry them separately with a cloth. 5. Dry the phone. Use a soft cloth or paper towel to remove any excess water from the phone. Do not use heat sources such as hair dryers or ovens to dry the phone, as this can cause additional damage. 6. Use desiccants. You can place your phone in a bag of rice, silica gel packets, or any other desiccant to help absorb the remaining moisture. Leave it in there for 24 to 48 hours. 7. Turn on the phone. After the phone has dried completely, try turning it on. 8. If it doesn't turn on or shows signs of damage, you may need to take it to a professional repair service. Like, comment and subscribe our channel for videos like this.